This is the elevator at JCPenney in Valley Mall, Hagerstown, Maryland. We have a Dover. Don't let the call station fool you. This thing's still original. The door operator, this is really obnoxious, as they're about to hear in a few minutes. Wait until it fully opens the center. 2, that's right, original Dover. Yep. Motor's original. Cool, the motor's original too. It's still dry powered. Ooh, it's still dry powered. Freight might be. Oh, sorry. One number 1. It re-leveled. ADA compliant phone in there. Wartech. Have a good one.
Yeah, thank you.
End the video up on 2.
Sure thing.
Derek cab going up. Very nice elevator. You could definitely hear that dry powered motor. Hear your fixtures. Black button I was looking here earlier. It's a Wartech phone in there. 5,000 pounds. Open up, there's the fan. That's it.